tutorial, obviously that's why we're here. And oh my god, as you guys could tell by my voice and tell by just like how I'm acting, I don't know if I'm sick or if I'm having allergies, to be honest, because this is like almost a daily thing. Most mornings like I deal with like runny noses, sneezing all morning, but instead of just this morning, it's just been all day. It's like 1 o'clock, 1:30 I think, and I am sounding like this. I'm sneezing every second. I'm about to sneeze right now, but I'm holding it in so I can talk to you guys and get this intro done, and then yeah, so yeah, and you're probably like, why are you recording? Why do you have a full face of makeup on? Let me explain, okay? The reason why is because, the time that I wasn't uploading for a while, I feel like I have to make up for it. I probably already have, but I feel like I just need to because something's telling me in my head, you cannot miss an upload, you have to upload, you have to upload, and I agree with that person in my head. I have to upload. So here is this makeup look right here. It's so like, yeah, it's a lot. It's really like a lot. It's for Halloween. Like, I wanted to do something Halloween inspired. I was gonna do like a Halloween costume today, but the one that I was supposed to be doing today, it had no brows. Like, I had to glue down my brows, and I did my brows thinking that I didn't have to do that, but I had to do that. Yeah, it's confusing. So I was like, you know what, let's just do like a very dark, grungy makeup look with like freaking spiders, which it didn't turn out looking like spiders, to be honest. My brother thinks it's stars. From afar, to me, I feel like someone tried to do bats. So I mean, I try to do spiders, and I think it's pretty similar once you're like close and personal, but you don't know what it looks like when you're far away. So just saying that. Yeah, I was just like scrolling on Pinterest, and I saw a couple makeup looks kind of like this, so I just like mushed them all together and I did it. And this is my first time wearing a black lipstick in so long, and I'm living for this whole look. That's what I'm, yeah. And I don't have makeup wipes, so I have to like wait until tonight to get them because my mom's not going out until tonight. So yeah, that's a thing, and my nose is running in the middle of doing this. Okay, that's great. But yeah, so I am freezing, I am cold, but I am hot at the same time. I have a stuffy freaking nose. It's like all stuffed up. I'm about to sneeze, but I'm holding it in. And yeah, this whole video is a voiceover because my voice is so ugly right now. So ugly. It's disgusting. So I did do a voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a like and comment down below what you guys think of this makeup look so far, without watching on how I got it. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look, I have no idea what to call it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with the Morphe 9C palette, the Jewel Crew palette. I'm going to be grabbing Stone Fox, and I'm just going to be grabbing a fluffy brush, grab that color, and then just put that in my crease. And then I'm just going to be grabbing the Dominique Latte palette, and the color I'm going to be taking is Pumpkin Spice, and I'm just going to put that in my crease also. I'm just brightening up the orange and really going in with a lot of oranges just to make it really, really orange, because that's what I want it to look like. And then I'm going to be taking Stone Fox again and putting that on my lid. And then the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be grabbing that black, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of the eye on the lid and just really blend it out. Just like you're putting it on the outer part, but instead of putting it on the outer part, obviously
we're putting it on the inner part. And then I'm just going to grab this liner. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll try to have it down below for you guys. But it's just a black liner, and I just did a pretty thick wing. And then I'm going to be taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to put that in the waterline. And then I'm going to be taking the color called Stone Fox, which is the color that we put in the crease earlier. I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line, and the color Pumpkin Spice, and put it down there also. And then I did mascara, so yeah, but I'm just going to be doing kind of like a jot first, and then 4 lines. It's going to be hard to explain for me because like it was hard for me to do it first of all, but it was really easy. Just do like 2 lines going up, 2 lines going down, and then 2 lines on each side. Does that make sense? I don't know. But I did a couple of those on one eye. You can do a couple on each eye, but I just decided to do it on one eye. And then I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Dead of Night. And then I'm just going to plop that on. But before I do, I'm going to pop on some chapstick so this lip doesn't dry out my lips. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys want to see next. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.